Looking for that quick and easy method to check a temperature in an instant? You're in luck. Today we have the FKM infrared thermometer gun. We're gonna get it out of the box in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. Let's go. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you are new to the show, then make sure you are following where you're watching this episode at. Get in the comments and interact with the community, and if you smash that like button, it would be so much appreciated. Today's episode is brought to you by FKM. We have their infrared thermometer gun to be checking out. So we have all of our links and details in the notes below, so make sure not to miss out on that, as well as some sweet discounts. But of course, the first thing is first. Let's hit that unboxing table and see what comes in the box. Right here we have the FKM infrared thermometer. This thing is going to be sweet. Let's get it out of the box. Right on top we have a nice handy case for this. It zips up. It's got a carrying handle on it. So let's get it out of the case. Nice branding right there on top as well. Then you open it up and you have the infrared thermometer, your user manual in the little pouch, and they include a 9-volt battery. So let's grab this really quick. On the back we have an LCD screen, 3 buttons here. You have a trigger right here, some information on the side, as well as some more information on the other side. Nothing on the bottom. And to put the battery in, the handle will open up like so. Now let's get this in. Now we can attach the 9-volt battery correctly, of course. Get it put in there, just like so. Close it up. So we pull the trigger to power on. And I just checked the lights and we read 177.4 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll even take this soda and see that it is 58.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty nifty. So right there is what you get right out of the box. Now let's go put it to some more use and let you guys know what we think. So this thermometer gun is absolutely an amazing way to instantly check a temperature. It has data retention, auto shutdown, and a lock max value, as well as a 12-point circular laser, along with a temperature alarm setting, and one of my favorite, a color LCD display. The 12-point circular laser makes it easy to be accurate on what you're trying to get the temperature of, as well, it makes a pretty cool cat toy. With high accuracy, patented technology, and easy to use, this thing is so clear and you can use it without making any contact. So you don't have to worry about touching something and burning yourself, like we all normally do at some point. With the function of the high and low temperature alarm, you can juggle the temperature with the color of the LED screen. And after setting your upper and lower limit value, you can quickly determine if your refrigerator, air conditioner, oven, or anything else is operating properly. And of course, we're speaking of grilling all the way to a refrigerator, meaning you have such a wide temperature range. Going all the way to negative 58 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 50 degrees Celsius, all the way up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 550 degrees Celsius. And of course, you are available to change your readout from Fahrenheit to Celsius, whichever you prefer in your measuring system, which also gives you all the advantages of using something as a consumer product all the way to putting this thing in industrial use. As for myself, I love using thermometer guns while I'm building PC rigs. That way I can check the CPU temperature and make sure my cooling system is doing exactly what it should be doing. As well as you can even use this as a gardening tool. As well as the distance to the spot ratio is 12:1, which means the best accuracy for the distance between the thermometer and the object of measurement should approximately be 12 inches. So you want to keep things around a foot away from what you're trying to get the accurate measurement of. Now keep in mind, this is not designed to work on humans. So if you're trying to check the temperature temperature on humans or pets, you might get an inaccurate reading. But as far as home repairs and appliances, this thing works great. Overall, all the testing that we have put through on this product, it has held up absolutely wonderful. And I would highly recommend the FKM thermometer gun if you're looking to get one. It's definitely one that you will want to look into and check out, especially if you want to save some cash with a discount code. That's right, FKM has hooked up our community with an exclusive discount code that only you guys can get by checking out this video. So you definitely don't want to miss out on these savings, and get in the description and follow those links and get more details and save some cash while picking up this awesome thermometer gun. I'd also like to give this time to give FKM a huge shout out and thank them for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. If you found this review helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and get in the comments. Let us know what you think about infrared thermometer guns and what is it that you need to check the temperature on. As well as make sure you're following where you should be following. Turn that bell on to receive notifications and all the latest deals if you haven't already. That's going to be it for this one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.